Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send welcome message to Landingi leads on WhatsApp. So let's suppose I'm running a business and I'm receiving all my leads with the help of Landingi. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically a WhatsApp message welcoming this lead should be sent to this lead. Doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Landingi and WhatsApp Cloud API. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Landingi, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent using WhatsApp Cloud API. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So here we are going to create an automation workflow where we are going to build connection between Landingi and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on new features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and here we have this workflow builder. From here we can select the workflow builder. We have this new beta which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this classic and then I'm simply going to click on this select and then I have to name this workflow. So let's say the name of this workflow is send welcome message to Landingi leads on WhatsApp, and then I need to select this folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select this WhatsApp automation and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, an action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send welcome message to a Landingi leads on WhatsApp, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in Landingi, automatically a welcome message will be sent with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in Landingi, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to receive a new lead in Landingi and then action says do this, then send a welcome message with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking Landingi, and then in my action application, I will be taking WhatsApp Cloud API. Here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Landingi. And in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new lead from landing page. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Landingi, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Landingi with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I'm going to build this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Landingi account. So this is my account and this is the page which I have created. I'm going to open this. And over here you can see this option of edit. So we are going to open this edit. Now over here this is the page, and if I scroll down I can see the form which I have created, and this form has two fields, name and the email address. And if I click on any of these fields I'm going to get this option of settings. So we have to click on this settings. And on the top where we have all of these options, we have to go towards this integrations. We have to search for webbook here. I have already installed this. So let me search for this webbook, and here it is. I'm going to open this, and then I'm going to remove this previously existing webbook URL. I'll go back to my workflow of Pabbly Connect. I'm going to copy this webbook URL, and then I'm going to paste this webbook URL over here. The request method will remain post, and then this is the field. So after adding this webbook URL and selecting the request method, I'm going to click on this save on the top, and then I'm going to click on this save and close. Over here you can see this option of publish. So we are going to click on this publish, and then we are going to click on this publish anyway. Let's wait till the form is published. Until the form is live, let's go back towards my Pabbly Connect workflow, and over here you can see this waiting for the webbook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webbook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webbook response. Now this means, so as to get the webbook response over here in this workflow, we need to do a test submission, which means we are going to do the form submission in Landingi, and as soon as we receive the response here in this workflow, then this means this connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and Landingi with the help of this webbook URL, that is working completely fine. So here I'll go back, and here it says your changes will be live in a minute. So here we have received the link. I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to open this in a new tab. And here it is. So I'm going to scroll a little down, and then I have this form. So I'm going to fill some dummy details over here. So let's say my name is new lead and my email address is new@pabblytudes.com. After filling my name and my email address, I'm simply going to click on this sign up now, and let's wait till the form submission is done. And here it is. We have done this form submission. I'm quickly going to open my workflow and check whether I have received this details which I've just filled in this form in my workflow there or not. So if I open my workflow and if I scroll down, you can see that I have captured this response just 2 seconds ago. The name which we have filled was new lead and the email address was new@pabblytudes.com. Now here, as soon as I've done this form submission, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and Landingi, that is completely working fine. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Landingi, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send a welcome message with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So then in my action application, I will be taking WhatsApp Cloud API. And in my action event, I'm going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So to get these details, we need to enter the meta for developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com, and after visiting this, you can see this option of my apps. We are going to open this. I have created the application which I am going to open. And under this app dashboard, I can see this option of WhatsApp. So I'm going to open this, click on this API setup. And over here, I will be provided with the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Now I am going to generate this token. For that, I'm going to click on this generate access token. I need to reconnect with my Facebook account to generate this token. So here I'm going to click on this reconnect. And here I'm provided with a new token which I'm going to copy and paste that to my Pabbly Connect workflow. I'm quickly going to copy this token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID and build this connection now. After adding all these details, I'm simply going to click on this save. And here WhatsApp Cloud API is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first field we have is receiver. So I need to enter the number on which I'm going to send this WhatsApp message. So if I open my Landingi response, you can see that I have not received the response for the phone number. I have not created any field for the phone number. You can create the field for your phone number and then receive the response. Over here, I will be entering my own phone number because I also have to show you the WhatsApp message when I'm going to receive. So for now, I'm going to skip this and then I'm going to select the template ID. Now to get this, we are going to go back towards app dashboard, and from here where we have copied all the phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID and the token, I can see this option of create your own template. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink. Here it has taken me towards this page of message templates. You can see all the templates which I've created. I've created the template by the name Landingi, and if you want to create a new template, you can simply click on this create template. To set up your template, you have to select the option and then you have to go towards this next. You will be landed towards this page from where you have to name your template, you have to select the language, you have to select the type of variable, whether you want to get the number or you want to get the text, and then you have to select the media sample. If you are sending something like the image, video, audio or document, you can select this from this media sample, and then if you want to enter the header in your message, you can include that. If you want to include the footer, you can do that, and then you can enter this body. Now in the body, we are going to enter the main text of the message. So here I'm going to enter hello and then I've added a custom variable. Now you can add as many as custom variables as you want, and whenever you are going to receive a new lead information, this custom variable will get replaced with the name of that lead or whatever custom variable or the value which you are going to add. So you can add as many as custom variables as you want, and whenever you are going to receive a new lead, this is going to get replaced with the name of the lead and whatever custom variable which you have added. Like over here, I have added a custom variable for the name of this lead, and if you are adding a custom variable for the email address or the phone number or some other detail, that detail is going to get replaced. So this is how we create a dynamic and a personalized template, by adding these custom variables. So here I am writing hello. Now we also have to add the value to this variable. So here I have added a custom variable for the name of the lead. So I have added the value as hello demo. After adding all these details, you simply have to click on the submit for review. After just few minutes, your template will be reviewed and then you can use this template to your workflow. Now here I've already created a template which I'm going to open for you. So this is the template which I have created. Hello demo, thank you for your interest in our business via Landingi page. We are excited to connect with you and help you. One of our team member will get in touch with you shortly. Meanwhile, feel free to ask any questions here. Talk soon, Team ABC. Now I am going to send this message, and to send this message I am going to go back towards my workflow and select my template ID as Landingi, because this is the template which I have created by the name Landingi. So here I have selected my template ID. In the language code I am going to enter EN, which means English, and then the selected template name is Landingi itself. The template has header? No, the template has no headers, so I'm going to select it as no. The header type, so it's written this field will populate automatically. If not, enable the map button and leave this field blank. So I'm going to toggle on this mapping button and remove this field. Keep this field empty. These fields like text value, media link, file name, latitude and the location longitude, these fields are not required one. I'll be skipping this, the location name and the location address. Template has body, yes, and then I'm going to add this value to the custom variable. Here it is showing me variable 1 example demo. So I have added a custom variable over here and I need to map this. And I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to map this. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now to map this, I'm going to click on this field, and over here I can see this Landingi. So I'm going to click on this and I will be able to see all the responses. So here I'm going to map this, which is the name of the lead. So here I'm going to enter the name of the lead. So here I'm going to enter the value, which is the lead. So here I'm going to enter the value as hello demo. So here I have added a custom variable over here and I need to map this. And I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to map this. So here I'm going to So the template has button, no, and these fields again are not required once. I'm going to skip this. I'm quickly going to enter my WhatsApp number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message which I'm going to receive on the execution of this workflow. And after entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request and let's wait for the response. So here we have received the response. I'm quickly going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this message there or not. And here it is. We have received this message. Hello new lead. Thank you for your interest in our business via our Landingi page. We're excited to connect with you and help you. So this is the same exact template which we have created and we have received this message with the name of the lead in this. So now to summarize, we took Landingi as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We have done the form submission and received the form submission response in this workflow, after which we move towards the next step where we wanted to send a WhatsApp message with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So we took our action application as WhatsApp Cloud API, made connection with Pabbly Connect and sent the template message. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Landingi and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.